I'm Paul Perkins with the check of your ag weather. After widespread highs in the 60s this afternoon, a weak cold front drops our highs tomorrow into the 50s to the low 60s. Clouds arrive on Friday for Groundhog Day when low pressure begins to move across the plains. Some rain or a snow mix is possible as soon as Friday morning. Otherwise, off and on rain is likely for Friday night into Sunday. Most of the rain falls for Saturday morning into Sunday evening. Rain amounts likely to range from a half inch to an inch and a half. Rain chances tapering off for Sunday night. Warmer than normal highs right around 50 expected for Friday through early next week. We could see some near record warm morning lows this weekend, right around 40. That keeps that precipitation as rain. Sunshine returns as soon as Monday. Checking the long-term forecast, it's still likely to be warmer than normal for Nebraska and Kansas Monday through February 13th. Slightly above normal precipitation is the forecast for Monday through February 13th in Nebraska and Kansas. Key weather factors affecting the markets include mild weather across the U.S. with the storm moving in, the continuation of good crop weather in most of Brazil, and hot and dry weather in Argentina. A storm arriving along the west coast affects the Pacific coast through tomorrow before turning eastward and crossing the southwest U.S. Rain and somewhat snow affects the central and southern plains late in the week, followed by rain and thunderstorms in the Gulf Coast region this weekend. 5-day precipitation totals could reach 4 to 8 inches in coastal and mountainous areas of California, with light to moderately heavy amounts extending eastward to the Rockies and the plains. Rainfall totals of 1 to 2 inches may fall across the southern U.S. The upcoming central and southern plains precipitation looks to be helpful for dormant wheat. Mostly dry weather prevails the next 5 days across the Midwest and the Northeast. Temperatures remain much above normal, at least through the weekend in much of the central U.S., while cooler air begins to overspread the west. In Brazil, scattered rain continues to build southward, including to Parana by this weekend. Northern Brazil could be seeing a bit too much rain, which may delay their field work. Brazil's pace of soybean harvest and planting second crop corn is still on track for a typical pace. Argentina corn and soybean areas stay hot and dry through the weekend, increasing concerns for reduced crop conditions. Temperatures could go over 100 for several days, especially across west and south Argentina. Declining soil moisture not good for a sizable number of corn and soybean acres in the reproductive to filling stages. There is hope for better chances of rain in Argentina sometime next week, but right now there's uncertainty on the timing. With the check of your ag weather, I'm Paul Perkins.